Hey everybody, and so now we're moving on to, I would say, step 3 and 4. It's the second page from your instructions. And just going back, I want to make sure everybody understands how to make the color black, because black will definitely stand up a little bit better. When you do this, if you just click and hold, so all I did there was click and hold, usually pop up in different colors as you can see here. But if I do black, that's going to definitely show up. And some other things that you should be aware of. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Let me go back. This is kind of a pain for my zooming here. There, that's good enough. If I hit the wrench there, they do want it in projector mode, and the reason why they want it in projector mode is because it does make it bolder and thicker. All right, now the next part, and I believe they do say take a screenshot of it. If you're unaware of this tool down here on my bar, it's called the Snipping Tool. If you go over here to the search and actually type in snip, it does bring up the Snipping Tool. I even have it just saved at the bottom. Click New, just highlight your region that you're interested in. Just make sure you save it in a location that you know where to put it. So save as, I'm going to put it as my pictures, bubble wand, whatever you want to call it. So bubble wand there. And now if I go back and I'm going to go into Selva, now I'm getting into step 3 and 4. Create an account, so I've already logged in. Upload your PNG file, so I hope I made it a PNG file. So let me see, upload. Let me find the bubble wand. It's right there. And open. It's processing it, so just give it a second. There's my picture. Keep setting on logo and text. So I keep setting on logo and text there. So just keep that. And basically, they're just going to talk you through here. The threshold, moving the dial all the way to the right. So move that all the way to the right there. Just like here, it has to kind of readjust again. Do not change the height. The height of it is going to be fine. And then download, and you can just do at the bottom here, download as a standard quality STL for free. So just click that one. Just again, make sure you know where you save it at. Save the file. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put it under my picture files here. So just a sec here. It says the download will start in 1 minute, so it does take a little bit of time. But as it's going through this, you can start to look at step 4. Where you have to go into Tinkercad and then create an account, select the new design, and then you're going to pull up this picture or this STL file. Again, just make sure that this is an STL file and then move it into the Tinkercad. It looks like on Tinkercad, then you're going to adjust the import, adjust the length and the height of it, and then watch the GIF to the right to see how it would do this. Make sure you go through. So just waiting for this to transfer. Oh, there. I think it's done. So let me go ahead and open this. This is the STL file. This is what it's going to look like. I don't know why this extra little segment is. All right, let me go back, and now I'm going to open up Tinkercad. So Tinkercad, again, this is kind of like step 4 if you want to just going through this. Just like here, let me turn the page. Just make sure you create an account and log in. All right, let me log in. Sorry for all the dead time in there. I have a really weird password, so just a sec, give me some time to type it in. I'm just going to go ahead and click Stay Signed In. And from this point, you're going to click the Create New Design. As you can see, I did this from last year. So this is a year ago. Create New Design. And then click the Import button. Imports up here. Choose a file, or if you know where it's located, if you download it, obviously from the Silva, it's going to go to your download files. So right here is where it downloaded. Drag it, drop it. There it is. Keep the adjusted. Yes, everything's good, good, good. Make your thickness. I'm making sure everything looks good there. Adjust the length. Adjust the length to 100 and then click Import. There's my piece. And then obviously from here, let me see here, click it and do the import. Make the thickness of your wand to be 5 millimeters. Watch the GIF to the right to see how to do this. Again, I'm going to let you go ahead and finish up the rest of this to change the thickness of this. There are different things that you can see over here, different images that you can add, but please don't. Something you can need to do. And then when you're done doing the thickness of it, just click the export button, go to export, and it will upload it, and then that will be the final step. And then you can finally send me the file, and I'll choose. I'm going to have like a voting thing where who has the best bubble wand, and I will print those. Juniors, I will try to print all of yours because I'm hoping I'll see you next year. All right, have a good day, guys. Sorry, I'm back just to show you a little bit more. If you hold the right click button, I guess I should show the details here. You can kind of see what perspective you're looking at, like from the bottom, from the front, from the right side, from the left side, from the top. But if you click the image, and then you can adjust the height of it. Let me get it so I can kind of see the direction of it. It is already 5 millimeter, but at this dot here, you can click and drag up to make it 15, drag down and make it less, but definitely I want to make it 5 millimeters. All right, that should be finalized. That should be it. All right, have a good day, guys.